and today we have a short little video for you, or hopefully short, to open up my two calendars. I have my Maltesers calendar, which is just a chocolate one, and I have my Sleek makeup calendar, and I just wanted to show you the Christmas tree in my spare room, which is where I keep all my makeup and stuff. Ignore that mess down there. So the tree is meant to be white, but this tree is due for the bin. Unfortunately, it's not looking so white anymore. So on the top I've got my angel, and then we got blue tinsel, some stars, and who's that? Rowena bought me this Christmas tree decoration for Ariel for my birthday. So she had to go front and centre. I couldn't quite make her the angel. I tried, but I couldn't. So she's there all the way down, some baubles and stuff. And of course Sebastian's there. Say hi. I've got these two Body Shop sacks, festival sacks. These are amazing, beautiful quality, beautiful quality. I want to go back and get the red one, so yeah, love them. So this is the Sleek Can't Wait Another Day Advent Calendar. It was £35. I actually got this with some money off because I had some vouchers. So yeah, let's go and open it. So I'm going to start off first of all with my Maltesers Advent Calendar. Now I actually got this for free. Our local Buzz Bingo hall was giving away free chocolate Advent calendars during the sessions. So we actually went twice, so we got two. So I've kept one downstairs that I will be opening with my husband later on. And then I brought one upstairs to open with you guys. So, number one. I hope I don't break a nail opening these things. Okay. Ooh. It's got a picture on it. I think it's meant to be a pudding. It's a bit weird, but I think it's meant to be a pudding. Very hard. It's the same same flavour of chocolate that's around a Malteser. I think in America they have Maltesers, but you call them Whoppers, I think. So yeah, that's that one. I'll hang that one back up. And then this one. So last year I really wanted a makeup advent calendar, and I was really taken with the NYX Lippy Countdown, but I procrastinated so long as to which one to get, and waiting for sales and things to see if I could get it cheaper because they're awfully expensive. And I procrastinated so long, I ended up not getting anything because I just took too long, and by the time I decided, it was like practically Christmas. So this year I was doing exactly the same thing again, procrastinating, trying to wait for sales, trying to decide which one I wanted. And we were in town one day and we were in Boots, which is where I got this from. And my husband says, "Where's that Sleek one that you keep mentioning?" And I said, "It's over here." So I showed him. And he picked it up and he went, "Right, I'm getting you this one." It's like, no, I haven't decided yet which one I want. He said, "Yeah, but you like this one, so I'm going to get you this one. Shut up and put up." So I did. So I got one. And funnily enough, I didn't get any others. Hello, husband, speaking of the devil. Okay. See you soon. So it opens up like this, and you've got all your numbers like this. I know this style of advent calendars is going out of fashion nowadays. People like the little drawers or the little boxes, but I still quite like opening doors. So number one is this one here. So let's have a look. It's got a little tab which makes it quite easy to open, so that's good. Ooh, okay. So it is one of the Sleek blushes. I've got two of these. This one is rose gold. I haven't got this one. This is quite a popular shade, I think. Oh, it's sealed. So it is this gorgeous shade here. Let me swatch it. Ooh, it's kind of like Orgasm by NARS. A lot of like these peach and gold shifts are kind of compared to NARS, so can you blend it out a bit? Looks a bit like that. So yeah, very impressed with that. I really like that. I love Sleek blushes, so yeah, plenty of product in there as well. Full size, 6 grams, no half sizes here. So yes, very impressed with my first day. So that is it. That is the first day of my advent calendar opened up. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.